Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain how to solve command injection vulnerability available in the DVWA application. Difficulty for this challenge is low. So command injection is one of the dangerous vulnerability where the attacker can provide user input and execute operating system commands if proper validation is not implemented. So in this challenge, we can see there is one input field asking for IP address and statement is ping a device. So let's provide any IP, for example, 127.0.1 and click on submit button. So we can notice ping operation is performed in the given IP and the response displays in the page itself. So as this vulnerability is related to command injection, so we need to provide some basic operating system command and we need to check if we are getting response for that particular command or not. So we can try who am I command and click on submit button. So there is no response for who am I. So maybe as this input field is asking for IP address, we must provide IP address here. So let's select IP address and let's provide or condition and then the operating system command and click on submit button. And this response looks similar to previous one. So we need to customize this payload again. So instead of or condition, we can provide semicolon. So it will basically concatenate both command and hopefully we will get the response back. So upon clicking on submit button, we can see at the bottom, it is showing the who am I result. So we can double check this by providing a different OS command. So instead of who am I, we can try ls command. So ls to list of available file and folder. So here we can notice it is showing the result. So we can understand that provided payload executed successfully. So in the initial part, we have provided IP address. So ping operation performed in that IP. And in the next part, we have provided OS command. And this one also executed and we got the result. So one important thing like if the server is like Windows server, then ls command will not work. Then we need to use dir. So it's better to use common command like who am I, which is applicable for both kind of server. So it will help us in confirming if application is vulnerable to command injection or not. And if we go to view source to check the source code written behind this functionality, here we can see there is a submit functionality implemented and target variable is defined. In the target variable, it will take the IP value which is provided in the user input and that particular IP value will be used as so if it is Windows, it will directly perform ping operation. And if it is Linux, like after for request, it will stop the ping command. However, we can notice it is directly using target parameter value in this particular functionality cell underscore exe. So this is one of the dangerous functionality. And if there is no proper input validation implemented, it will lead to command injection. That is why we are able to exploit command injection in this scenario. Thank you.